I have created total 11 automation. You can see all the automation here. So let me tell you what are these automation about. Okay, so first automation is about the generate the seed keyword, then buyer intent keyword, then generate blog topic, then update in Google Sheet. Why it is important? Because we need to publish every day one blog. Okay, so if you are going to publish every day one blog, then we need keyword. Okay, we need at least one blog topic, one buyer intent keyword, at least one seed keyword. That's why this first automation is important. So I have created this automation and it will update in Google Sheet. Okay, the second automation is for writing the blog and doing the SEO everything on the WordPress. And the second automation is about they first write the content from the keywords and blog topic and do the SEO of the blog, add the image, then save on the draft on your WordPress website. So why I am saving the draft? Because after before publishing you need to you are going to verify these things. That's why I'm saving the draft. And the third automation, this is the part automation of part 2 automation, publishing the blog after reviews by you. Okay, so this automation we are going to send blog content on your email and you can review those automation. Let's say all automation is let's say all blog is fine, then you can reply, and if we got reply and this automation automatically got publish. Okay, so you do not need to do anything manual, it will publish your blog. If you let's say if you are saying anything it's not going to publish, then it will not publish. Okay, and the fourth here automation is, let's say automation is the index and submit Google Search Console using Google Indexing API. Let's say why it's important, because after publishing the blog we need to index on Google search and Bing search. So that's why this automation is important for indexing. Fifth automation is for indexing, doing the same thing but for the Bing.com. Okay, using the Bing Search Console, Bing Webmaster API. Okay, the sixth automation is about doing the all things so your blog can show on various AI tools such as ChatGPT, Perplexity, all the things. So here we are updating schema markup. Okay, these are the code. It will place automatically on the back side of your website. Okay, back end of the website. So this is the sixth automation. Okay, the seventh automation is for publish blog on Monica LinkedIn profile. Okay, so let's say you are publish the blog. Now you are going to do the marketing of this blog, and this automation will publish the blog on your LinkedIn profile. Okay, the eighth automation is about doing the same thing but for David LinkedIn profile. Okay, ninth automation publish on doing the same thing but on the LinkedIn company page. You have company page, so it will the blog will publish on your company like page. Okay, the 10th automation is for generate the keyword using people also search, people also ask. Okay, so in this automation it will generate the keyword using the people also ask method. Okay, the 11th automation is the publish the blog on your Google My Business profile. Okay, these all 11 automation you have requested all are complete, and only the last part is Google My Business is pending, but rest all is complete.